Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can activate your Ubigi eSIM. So for the first step, what you'll have to do is you'll have to buy a data plan. So to do that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to cellulardata.ubigi.com. So this is the website. So from here you'll have to buy a data plan. As you can see here, for that connectivity you'll need to select your destination, USD and view data plans, and you'll have to buy a data plan. After you buy a data plan, you will get a QR code. As you can see, this is the first step. You will get a QR code. And what you'll have to do is you'll have to you open your camera app and scan the QR code. After you scan it, you'll see this activate eSIM notification. What you'll have to do is you'll have to press the continue button to confirm, and then you can add a data plan to it as well. So after that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to select it as a default line. You can, if you are using two dual SIMs, Ubigi would be beneath the primary one, so you can simply rename it Ubigi, or you can keep it as secondary as well. After that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to change your iMessage and FaceTime and all the other message app and phone apps to Ubigi, like if you're using dual SIM. So press continue and your SIM would be activated like this. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.